Dude, no fucking way. I think the truck has a ticket on it.
Nah, no chance.
Look at the pink slip.
Is that actually? Wait, actually, holy shit. Hold up.
Nah, don't be for real right now. Stop fucking with me.
I thought you were doing it.
My God. Is that a ticket?
Let me see what the fuck that is.
What is that? What the fuck?
Oh, it's a fucking promotion for the event we were just at.
Let me see. No, it's Metroplex Wrestling. That's not even funny, bro. Y'all scared the living dog shit out of me. Really, Metroplex Wrestling? Not funny. All right, so change of plans tonight. I know y'all are under updated, but we're actually at a wrestling show in Grand Prairie, Texas. So this is where I met Keith Lee at about like 5 months ago. So we're gonna go on here and check it out. He's way back there, so we're gonna go on here. Let's do this. Reverse. cool. Got Lance's autograph. Pretty lit. There's only one specific reason why I came here, though. Really wasn't even to meet anybody. Came here to see Barry. The one and only. The guy. Anyways, so yeah. Had a little bit of fun tonight. And now it's time to go eat.